Hi guys, Matthew with 20D. Last weekend, I went to a partner church. I was able to share my ministry with some of their grade schoolers on a Saturday night and Sunday night, and I was really impressed by the way they did service. They kept portions of their kids' service would be as a group, and then portions would be in like small groups, and I thought that was really awesome. So I went out to typewriter today. The two encounters that I remember the most. One was this lady named Raven. After I wrote the poem, shared it with her, she started crying. She came up and didn't even ask me. She hugged me. It was really beautiful. I wish I could spend some more time with her. Unfortunately, there was someone else in line, but I did tell her how I was able to see these things, who she was, seen and heard by the Father. And then the one that was after that was this guy whose girlfriend had breast removal surgery because of breast cancer. Then he also had colon cancer. So he said both of his parents were pastors. I was able, even though there was a line, I stood up, took some extra time with him, prayed for him. It was really, really beautiful. And then I got a chance to teach Bible study last night here in the house, which is a voluntary meeting. We started the Gospel of John. We got through like the first 5 verses, and it was super beautiful. So, yeah, thank you for supporting, and partnering and praying and walking with me in all these different ways that we do ministry. Love you guys. Happy 4th.